What's happening, guys? Landon here with LMR.com. Welcome to my quick overview and install on this rear console mounting bracket from 5.0 Resto. This particular bracket is located at the rear of the center console and attaches to the top of the transmission tunnel. Its job is to properly retain the armrest and console top panel. You'll oftentimes find these missing from a car you just purchased, or for some reason they may have elongated bolt holes, or they could even be damaged. 5.0 Resto's bracket is constructed from steel and incorporates all the correct bends and attachment provisions. It's finished off in a durable black powder coat. With the bracket will be 3 rivets, so you'll need a rivet gun to properly install this into your car. As far as fitment is concerned, this bracket will fit all 1987 to 1993 Fox Mustangs. Of course, you will have to remove a few components to get to this particular bracket. Reference our center console removal video to see how these components are removed. Also note, we will be showing you how this is done on a car, for the most part, has the interior fully gutted. Once all the components are out of the way, remove the harness clip. Use an appropriate size drill bit and drill these out. Loosen and remove the 10mm retaining bolt. Remove the bracket from the tunnel, and then drive out any rivets that are still intact. Take this time to wipe down the area. Position the new bracket into place. Reinstall the 10mm bolt, but do not fully tighten. Now, secure the bracket with the 3 provided rivets. Insert the harness clip. Reassemble your interior components, and then you're all finished. Simple restoration parts are always so satisfying. 5.0 Resto knocked it out of the park again on their rear console mounting bracket. So for any of you Fox body Mustang owners currently restoring your car back to fighting shape, this part is for you. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading parts, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang, and of course, SVT Light.